This right here is a cool mist.
Okay.
And that cools off it cools off your cutter. See, when your cutter's up in there, it's got that cool mist. I gotta wait till the air pressure builds up.
Okay, I feel you.
Ain't enough air pressure right now.
Well, for right now, I'm just gonna chill and hold my phone here,
Yeah.
on the machine, of course. Yeah, I want to see how this machine works, man. I enjoy technology.
Yeah.
I like seeing how things work, man. And
It's pretty
yeah,
good. I'd like to have a building full of these machines.
it can happen, man.
Yeah.
If I sell enough of these t-shirt machines, it can happen. It can definitely happen. I'd be willing to pay for it too. Okay, let me get back to this now. Alright, here you go. So you program the buttons. I got you. I'm going to stand back just because I've heard about these machines when they go haywire. Yeah, they going to go haywire? Okay, let's go. I'm just making sure, man. Because I've heard when these things go haywire that those parts go moving everywhere, man.
The only reason they go haywire is the programmer don't program it right.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, see how deep I got it.
I guess you deal with your own scrap metal, huh?
10 millimeters deep.
I guess you take all this stuff to Snipes when you go up there to pick up supplies, don't you?
What's that?
All your scrap metal and stuff. You don't recycle it? Man, if I had a pickup truck, I'd come pick it up, man, but I don't want to put all this stuff in the back of my Explorer, man. This is what was in my tire. That's what caused my flat.
Goodness gracious.
Yeah, I think it's a part to an electronic cigarette. I think. I have no idea, man. I have no clue.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, let's watch this bad boy operate.
This is the digital readout up here. The digital readout up here.
Okay.
And it tells you I'm going 10 millimeters deep.
You don't have a clock anywhere, do you?
What?
A clock?
Clock? Right there.
Okay, I don't have to be back at work till 4:15, so we're good.
I'll take it out and show you what it did.
I got you.
You see it's running automatic. I programmed it to do that. Okay, if you look right here, I can even, you got it up here on this?
Okay, here you go.
If you look up here, See, I can show you. I can show you that it draws the part. See, it drew the.
Oh, that's cool.
See that diamond
like
shape? That's my my program.
I like that.
Yeah. All right. I'll take
Okay,
this out.
let me stand back again. Alrighty.
If you look right here,
Is that what you just made?
that's what I just did.
Oh wow.
See that?
That didn't take no time at all, man. It's not hot or anything, is it? It was probably a little warm, but
No,
that is
it ain't.
cool. I like that.
That cool mist keeps everything cool.
Yeah,
But that's the.
that's cool.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it real good. That didn't take no time at all. Huh. Cool. Well, I'm gonna stop.